Hi guys, back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a two-slide photo effect in CapCut. So you can start by preparing your clips, then click on it and go to edit. Click on crop and crop your video to 9 by 16. Okay, after that, click on a check icon and drag it to the left like this. Okay, after that, copy your clips, then set the first clip as overlay. Okay, so it'll go like this. Then put the video side to side like this. Okay, so you'll have two videos side to side. You can just adjust the position into your liking. Okay, after you put it side to side like this, click on the overlay video, then go to filter, find mono and select the BW3 or which one that you like. Click on a check icon so that it will have a different color like this. Then trim the overlay video a bit. Okay, so when you're done, it will go like this, the two-slide photo. Okay, so that's a tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in following videos. Thank you.